Sige, tingnan natin. Predictions tayo. Dalawang grupo na ang na-form. Ayaw na nila mag-duo. Like, it's day 86 or 87, I guess. Tapos hindi pa sila nagduduo na ano eh. Dati, di ba, nung collab 1.0, puro duo sila. Di ba? Ito puro grupo eh. Ayaw na mag-duo. Ayaw nyo pag-pair ulit si Joaquin sa si Caprice. I mean, wala na nang wala na nga chance mag-pair up yung dalawa. Kasi sa challenge, pinapili sila ng anong bang uupuan. Okay? Tapos, nanalo si Joaquin as, again, siya yung nanalo. So, he picked the left bench. Tapos, si Ashley nanalo. She picked the right bench. And Caprice clearly stated that she wants to be at Ashley's group. Pero, here we are. Joaquin and Caprice in the same team again. Now, if you look closely, Joaquin, Caprice, Carmel, Sophia, Trupa. Then you get Heat. And then you get Eliza, who recently won the Wildcard Challenge. Team Solid 6. Ngayon, sabi niyo yung kabilang grupo, puro task layers. I beg to disagree. This group, Joaquin, Caprice, Carmel, Sophia, sila yung trupa dati. And they beat yung mga grupo nun. Team Clap. Yeah, Team Clap yung isa, di ba? Saka nakalimutan ko yung kay Crystal. Nakalimutan ko, sorry. Let me just look it up and figure it out. I know it was Crystal, Anton, and Crystal, Anton, yung dati magkagrupo eh. Tingnan ko lang ha. Tagal na nun, trupa. Basta trupa yung nanalo nun eh. Let's see. God damn it, I should have checked this one. Tapos, yeah, again, Soaring Langga, again, they're task layers. Diba? Kasi doon yung Clifford and Miguel. And they're the ones who got nominated last time. Ayun. Yeah, trupa yung nanalo, Soaring Langga. Soaring Langga and Flap. Sila yung talo dati. And Flap consists of Princess, Ashley, and Lela. Well, to be fair, Soaring Langga, they got 0 points, di ba? Dun sa challenge. Team Flap got 1, and that's Princess Ashley and Lela. Wala na si Fred. And Trupa, sila yung nun. Sila yung nanalo. So, basically, Solid 6 has an advantage here within the task. Heat, pretty much, sila yung nanalo sa weekly task. Eliza, wildcard. Kumbaga sila yung may momentum para sa akin. Oo. Now, let's see. Pag ito ang na-nominate, we are going to see Joaquin, Eliza, and Carmel. Joaquin, Eliza, and Carmel. I am on the pedestal on my opinion na ang maalis between Joaquin, Eliza, and Carmel would be, unfortunately, Carmel. That puts a wrench in my tier list, and I have to redo my predictions all over again. Pero I think Carmel will have a disadvantage here if she's going against Joaquin and Eliza. And now, we're going to see Caprice, Heat, and Sophia. Magkakagrupo sila. Everyone is saying Sophia is in danger here kasi kung manominate ang Solid 6, Sophia is most likely to get booted out, to get evicted. Kasi first time siya ma-nominate and she doesn't have a lot of fandoms. But what if I tell you Heat fans will have to split their votes on this one? And that would be an advantage to Sophia. Diba? I'm still leaning towards Sophia eviction if Solid 6 is nominated, Carmel Sophia eviction. But it's too close to tell. Because Caprice and Heat, even though their fandoms are strong, they have the risk to split their votes. And Sophia, if she has enough funds to creep in to the vote split between Caprice and Heat, yeah, she could be safe. And most likely, if Sophia is safe, I'm leaning towards Caprice being eliminated, which is a huge upset because Heat's voting power is top notch. Top notch ang voting power ni Heat. Like, he has a landslide vote for every time he's nominated. Ayun. That's just my 2 cents on the solid 6. Now let's go to the next group. Striving Feathers. Basta dito si Crystal, magaganda. Medyo poetic yung mga names. They are the Determined Warriors. They are the Soaring Langga. Now the Striving Feathers. Meron pa yung isa, yung Big Buck Dreamers, di ba? Yun. So we got Ashley, Lela, Princess, Team Plap. Wala lang si Fred. We got Marco who won the challenge. We got Crystal Miguel who won the weekly challenge. Ang problema dito is medyo malamya si Crystal. But that is all right. If proven Tusslers talaga si Ashley, si Lela, and Princess, they can carry Crystal. And in terms of strategy, we got Miguel here. Okay? And if in terms of IQ, we got Crystal here. We haven't had a task that parang nagsicentralize on more on the intelligent quotient. Pero I'm leaning towards my girl Crystal here. Sinasabi nila puro task layers dito because of Princess, because of Ashley, because of Miguel. Yes, sure. But it's too close to tell because like what I said earlier, Trupa is complete on the other side. Okay? We got here Team Pal. Okay, Pal, Princess, Ashley, and Lela. Then Crystal is here. I think she chose right to be with Ashley. Okay? We got Marco and Miguel. Marco, solid sa wild task. Miguel, solid sa mga challenge. He is the one that never gives up. Okay? Let's just take it with a grain of salt. This guy never gives up. Now, if Striving Feathers gets nominated, we will have Ashley, Marco, and Princess as the Kapuso nominees. And I'm more inclined for Princess to be eliminated. I know it really derails my predictions dun sa last video ko, but I think there will be a way for Marco to squeeze in to the votes given his wildcard status. I think Marco is on the right place to be voted in. Yan ang sabi ko. It's gonna be a close call between Marco and Princess. I think Princess is gonna be eliminated if Striving Feathers gets nominated. Now, when it comes to Ashley, yung voting power niya is very clutch. Okay? She never tops the votes, but she could top the votes by being at the right place at the right time. Okay? Yung kanyang mga fandom naglalapag ng boto, right place, right time, just enough to be safe. So I have my full trust that Ashley is going to be safe. On the Kapuso side, Crystal, Miguel, Lela. We have seen Crystal and Miguel get nominated together. And I believe their fandoms are equal, which leads to Lela being in danger of getting booted out if Striving Feathers are going to be nominated. Diba? How's that so? Crystal has a huge fandom. Miguel's fandom has been challenged. Lela, I never seen Lela's fandom mobilize unless I think this would be a finite data kung kailan ba na-nominate si Lela. Let me see. Let me check the Wikipedia. PBB Collab 2.0. Okay. Kailan ba na-nominate si Lela? Kailangan ko lang I'm sorry. I'm sorry that it has to be this way. Teka. Lela. nominated BBB. Okay, so she was nominated for the Sofela, yung mga duos, but that was a duos. Okay? Sofela was sa duos ba na nominate siya? I don't think Kristen was nominated. Princess was nominated. Cap Queen was not nominated. Uh, Kristen, yeah, Ashley was nominated. So yeah, Lela was not nominated. Sophia and Lela weren't nominated during the duo. So I think this will be a challenge. She's on the same boat as Sophia na hindi pa nakaka-experience ng nomination. Maybe I'm wrong. But if Simon Peddlers got nominated, we're going to say goodbye to Princess and Lela in 2 weeks.